What if the world you know changed in just 3 years? Are we ready? Look, it's wild to even think about, right? We're all just trying to get through the week, pay bills, maybe hit the gym. But while we're doing that, these massive, world-altering shifts are happening. This change starts in labs. People test new AI tools. It also happens in big data centers. Rows of servers work non-stop. This is not a movie idea. It is real now. We're talking about a fundamental reshaping of reality that could arrive by 2026. It's like we're all standing on a beach, looking at the horizon. We can just barely make out this gigantic wave forming. You can either stand there and get wiped out, or you can grab a board and figure out how to ride it. Most people aren't even watching the water. They don't see the scale of what's coming. Technologies that could make the internet's arrival look like a minor update. This isn't just about faster phones or smarter apps. This is about changing how we work, how we communicate, how we solve problems, even how we think. So the question becomes, what do you do? Today we'll outline the 5 biggest technological shocks many expect by 2026. We need to get our heads around this, talk about it, question it, understand its potential for good, and for some seriously weird outcomes. Because being prepared isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. Let's dive in. The first one. This is a mindbender, Generative AI 2.0. We're talking about self-coding systems. AI that writes, tests, debugs, and deploys complex software with minimal supervision. You describe the functionality and the problem. AI builds most of it from the ground up. The process of creating an app, a platform, a service, compressed from months to minutes. It's like thousands of expert programmers on call, 24/7, at near zero marginal cost. Startups appear overnight with sophisticated products, a Cambrian explosion of digital creation. But roles will change. Developers, QA, project managers. Are we ready for that disruption? As AIs improve their own code, non-human intelligence will increasingly run critical systems. 6G sounds technical and a bit boring, but the implications are huge. Not just faster downloads, it merges the digital and physical worlds with ultra-low latency and massive bandwidth. Latency approaches near zero, instant communication for people and billions of devices. A surgeon in New York performs a delicate operation in Tokyo with instantaneous feedback. It feels like they're in the room. Seamless AR on the street, historic info on buildings, and your friend's avatar walking right beside you. Engineers across 5 continents manipulate a single 3D model in real time. Geography, obsolete. Devices stream sensory data, maybe even rudimentary intentions. That raises massive privacy questions. A world blanketed by a network tracking any object instantly. Your car, your glasses, your refrigerator. Always connected. Who controls it? Who sets the rules? This is the invisible battlefield of the next decade. So we've got AI that builds itself, and a network that connects everything. Now the engine that tackles the impossible, quantum computing. By 2026, not quantum laptops, but quantum power via the cloud. Rent time from labs building these machines. Classical bits are ones or zeros. Qubits can be 1, 0, or both. Superposition, exploring vast possibilities at once. That unlocks faster drug discovery, new materials, and quantum-level climate solutions. But it's double-edged. The same power could break today's widely used encryption. Banking, government, the entire internet. Builders versus cryptographers. A high-stakes race to quantum-resistant security. 2026 could be the tipping point. Global stability on the line. And then, your mind. This one feels surreal. Direct brain-computer interfaces. Companies like Neuralink are pushing the frontier, from medical labs helping paralyzed individuals control a robotic arm or type, to first-gen consumer devices possibly by 2026. Turn thought directly into action, compose email, write code, or shape 3D objects with your mind. For disabilities, it's miraculous, restoring communication and mobility. Some advocate human-AI symbiosis, a bridge connecting our biological minds to digital intelligence. But who has access to your brain data? Could thoughts be hacked or emotions manipulated? We're proposing to network the most private part of our existence. The last one may be the most critical, our planet's survival. By 2026, AI may integrate across the grid, balancing intermittent wind and solar in real time. It predicts demand spikes and reroutes power across regions in milliseconds, preventing blackouts. AI accelerates materials discovery for better solar, batteries, even fusion, cutting timelines from decades to years. It optimizes shipping, designs efficient buildings, and enables precision agriculture. But critical infrastructure can be attacked, and AI's energy use must not fuel the very crisis it fights. So, that's the wave. Self-coding AI, 6G, quantum cloud, brain-computer interfaces, and AI-managed energy. They'll feed each other. Exponential change, hitting by 2026. This isn't a forecast, it's a countdown. Be curious, be skeptical, be ready. Subscribe to Global Aethel AI for more tech updates.